Start by laying out the 5 starter pieces over the floor joists. They should not be fastened yet, as you want to first set up a perimeter with all 4 corners at right angles. As is, the frame moves very easily, making it difficult to determine the square. To help with that, use one full back wall board over the doorway cutout at the front. You can now shift the sides and corners until you get them all at right angles. Measure the diagonal distances every time you move the frame until the 2 measurements are even. Carefully remove the helper board and return it anytime you want to double check the starter row is at right angles before you anchor it down.